fresh, vibrant, and packed with nutrients. Hello, good people. Today we're exploring the health-boosting power of 3 incredible Vitamix juice recipes made from carrots, celery, and grapefruit. From carrots that support eye health and immunity, to celery that helps hydration and digestion, and grapefruit rich in vitamin C for a natural energy lift, these blends are more than just refreshing drinks. They are a daily dose of wellness in a glass. Stay tuned as we blend, sip, and share the amazing benefits of each ingredient, plus a bonus tip to make your juices taste even better and stay fresher for longer. Let's start with one of nature's sweetest superfoods, the humble carrot. It's more than just a crunchy snack or a splash of orange color in your salad. Carrots are a powerhouse of nutrition that have been loved for centuries, not just for their taste, but for their incredible health benefits. First, carrots are famous for their beta-carotene content. That's the natural pigment that gives them their bright orange color. Beta-carotene is converted by your body into vitamin A, which plays a key role in eye health. This means drinking carrot juice regularly can help maintain sharp vision, protect against night blindness, and even lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. But carrots don't just stop at helping your eyes. They are also loaded with antioxidants. These compounds fight off free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and speed up aging. In other words, carrots can help keep your skin youthful, radiant, and healthy from the inside out. Speaking of skin, the vitamin A in carrots also supports skin cell renewal and helps prevent dryness. Combine that with their high water content, and you've got a natural beauty booster that works from within. Now let's talk about your immune system. 1 glass of carrot juice contains a healthy dose of vitamin C, which helps your body fight off infections, heal wounds faster, and keep your immune cells strong and active. In today's fast-paced world, that's an easy, tasty way to support your defenses. Carrots are also a friend to your heart. Their potassium content helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out excess sodium in your diet. Plus, the fiber in carrots can help lower cholesterol levels, meaning they don't just taste good, they are actively working to protect your cardiovascular health. And here's something you might not know. Carrots can also support digestive health. Their fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, keeping digestion smooth and helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Finally, carrot juice is naturally low in calories but still filling and energizing, making it perfect for weight management or as a healthy snack replacement. So, whether you're sipping it fresh from your Vitamix or enjoying it as part of a blend, every drop of carrot juice is delivering eye-loving vitamin A, skin-friendly antioxidants, immune-boosting vitamin C, heart-healthy potassium, and gut-loving fiber, all in one naturally sweet, delicious drink. Now that we've uncovered the powerful health benefits of carrots, let's move on to our next star ingredient, celery, and see why it's a true hydration hero in your juice glass. Next up, we have one of the most refreshing and underrated greens you can add to your juice, celery. At first glance, celery might seem like nothing more than a crunchy, watery snack, but inside those crisp stalks lies an incredible list of health benefits that can make a big difference to your overall wellness. First and foremost, celery is a hydration hero. With over 95% water content, it helps keep your body refreshed, supports your skin, and aids in maintaining optimal bodily functions. In a world where many of us simply don't drink enough water, celery juice is like nature's own hydrating tonic. But celery isn't just water. It's also rich in electrolytes like potassium and sodium, which help regulate fluid balance in your body. This makes it a fantastic choice for replenishing after exercise, hot weather, or anytime you feel low on energy. One of the standout benefits of celery is its potential to reduce inflammation. Celery contains unique plant compounds called apigenin and luteolin, which have been studied for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds may help soothe chronic inflammation, which is linked to many health issues like arthritis, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. Celery is also a friend to your heart and blood pressure. Thanks to its potassium content, it can help counteract the effects of excess sodium in your diet, promoting healthier blood pressure levels. And there's more. Celery contains a compound called phthalides, which may help relax blood vessel walls, improving blood flow and circulation. When it comes to digestion, celery's natural fiber helps keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system, supporting gut health and preventing constipation. Even in juice form, you still get a decent amount of soluble fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your intestines. Celery is also incredibly low in calories but surprisingly filling, making it a perfect addition to weight management plans. You can drink it freely without worrying about adding extra pounds, all while enjoying a nutrient boost. And here's a little bonus benefit. Celery has natural detoxifying properties. It acts as a mild diuretic, helping your body flush out excess fluids and waste products, which may reduce bloating and leave you feeling lighter and more energized. So, when you sip celery juice, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're hydrating your body, calming inflammation, supporting your heart, aiding digestion, and giving your system a gentle detox, all in one crisp, green package. Now that we've discovered why celery deserves a spot in your glass, it's time to turn to our final star ingredient, grapefruit, and uncover its powerful health benefits. And now, for our final star ingredient, the bright, zesty, and incredibly refreshing grapefruit. This citrus fruit isn't just a tangy burst of flavor in your juice, it's a powerhouse of vitamins, antioxidants, and unique plant compounds that can do wonders for your health. Let's start with what grapefruit is most famous for, its high vitamin C content. Just half a grapefruit can provide more than half of your daily vitamin C needs, helping to strengthen your immune system, speed up wound healing, and keep your skin glowing. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant, meaning it protects your cells from free radical damage and supports overall longevity. Grapefruit is also well known for its role in weight management. It's low in calories but high in water and fiber, which means it can help you feel fuller for longer without adding unnecessary calories. In fact, some studies have shown that regularly eating or drinking grapefruit may support healthy metabolism and aid in fat loss when paired with a balanced diet. When it comes to heart health, grapefruit offers several benefits. Its potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, while its soluble fiber can help lower cholesterol levels. Additionally, grapefruit contains flavonoids, plant compounds that have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Another amazing benefit of grapefruit is its potential to help control blood sugar levels. The fruit has a relatively low glycemic index compared to many other fruits, meaning it won't cause a big spike in blood sugar. This makes it a refreshing option for people looking to keep their energy steady throughout the day. Grapefruit also supports hydration and detoxification. Being about 88% water, it helps keep your body hydrated, while its natural compounds encourage your liver to work efficiently, aiding the body's natural detox processes. And here's a bonus. Grapefruit contains a special antioxidant called naringenin, which has been studied for its potential to protect the liver, reduce inflammation, and even improve fat metabolism. So, every time you add grapefruit to your Vitamix blend, you're giving your body an immune-boosting dose of vitamin C, a metabolism-friendly fruit that supports weight control, a heart-loving mix of fiber and flavonoids, steady energy from its low glycemic load, and a refreshing burst of hydration. With carrots, celery, and grapefruit together, your glass isn't just colorful and delicious, it's a nutrient-packed trio designed to fuel your health from the inside out. Now, let's bring them all together and make these 3 delicious Vitamix juice recipes. And there you have it, 3 delicious Vitamix juice blends packed with health benefits from carrots, celery, and grapefruit. Your body will thank you for every sip. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more healthy recipes and wellness tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these juices you're excited to try first, or share your own favorite juice combinations. And if you know someone who could use a little health boost, go ahead and share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and keep blending.